Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I bought a few coins recently and we'll unbox this one. See what it is. Right, it is nicely wrapped actually, so over there. Here we go. Here we are. Very nice, eh? Nice ones. It is nicely wrapped and nicely arranged too. So, wow. I've been buying coins from coin dealers and also coin collectors. So I know it's legit coins. So we'll see what this one first. See, even this one is stapled, so but it's nice, eh? Just yeah, wouldn't work if it's an unboxing. Wouldn't work much, but yeah, it's secured, so it's good. So what's this shiny one? Eh? Very lovely. It's a Bailiwick of Jersey. Wow, stunning. It's a 1964 Bailiwick of Jersey. What is written before? 1/4 of a shilling. So 1/4 of a shilling coin, 1964, Bailiwick of Jersey. Looks uncirculated. Very nice portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. And see what's the other one. This one is see, I wanna just remove it because the staple might hurt the coin. So this one is 1/12 of a shilling. It's a Bailiwick of Jersey, 1966. What's that? 1066 to 1966. And the coat of arms on the middle. 1/12 of a shilling. And another lovely portrait of Queen Elizabeth. I think it's uncirculated, eh? Very lovely. And we have how many more? We have 5 more lovely coins. So just scattered. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start off with this one. So this one is another Queen Elizabeth II, Bailiwick of Jersey. So also a 1/12 of a shilling. And we can see what's written there. CIIR 1660 1960. So I don't know what does that mean. It's like a commemorative. I think it will be a commemorative coin. I think it's like this one is like a E2R. It's like Elizabeth II, and then this one I don't know. King Charles II. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure. It's uncirculated and it's lovely. Now, what this one? Okay, this one is another Queen Elizabeth coin, and it's Bailiwick of Jersey, 1957, 1/12 of shilling. Another lovely coin, circulated, I think. And this one is King George VI, DG by, it's like by the grace of God, King of all Britain, and Defender of the Faith, Emperor of India. And this one, State of Jersey, 1/12 of a shilling, 1947. And you can see it didn't say a Belwick of Jersey. It says States of Jersey. Probably that's what they called it back then, the 1940s. Now it's called Belwick of Jersey, but before it was States of Jersey. All right. And this one, it's another lovely coin of King George VI. They grudge by the grace of God, King of all Britain, defender of the faith, and I don't see the Emperor of India thing here, but yeah. So it is older, eh? It's 1945. And we can see here, it's not State of Jersey, it's not Belwick of Jersey, but it's Island of Jersey. And it's 1/12 of a shilling, same as the other ones. And it says liberated 1945, so it's a wartime coin during the liberation. Wow, first time I've had this coin. Liberated 1945, Island of Jersey. It's lovely. See, lovely coin. And this one is an old one. I see, I like old coins. And this is a lovely portrait of Queen Victoria. Very good. Victoria, DG is like by the grace of God. Britannia Reina, Queen of all Britain, and was FD, Defender of the Faith, I think. Lovely. And we can see it's an 1877 coin, and we can see the coat of arms of Jersey. It says 120. I can figure out the other ones. 120, I don't know. That one. Of a shilling. And then the one on top is States of Jersey. It's an old coin, 1877. Very nice one, eh? I like old coins. Very good. Very nice coins. Lovely coins from Jersey. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good day.